Before you begin, be sure to blot any stains and vacuum the area to be cleaned thoroughly so you can get the best results from your deep cleaning. Press release to remove the clean water tank and fill it with hot tap water to the fill line. Then add 1 capful of the Rug Doctor cleaning solution to your clean water. Screw the cap back on tightly to ensure full suction power. Secure the clean water tank on the Pro Portable Spot Cleaner. You should hear a click, then plug the machine in, uncurl the hose, attach the head, and turn it on. You're ready to clean. Press the trigger for the cleaning solution and move the motorized attachment forward and back to remove the spot. Let go of the trigger to extract more water from the area. When you see the clean water tank is running low, remove the tanks. To empty the dirty water tank, unscrew the lid, remove the tank float, and feel the disgustation of dumping out all that dirty water. Then add water and solution to the clean water tank, replace both tanks, and keep going until you're done. That's how you clean with the Rug Doctor Pro Portable Spot Cleaner.